हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। फर्स्ट स्टॉक है हमारा HDFC लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी लिमिटेड। कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। ओके, लेट्स मूव। ओके, HDFC लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी शेयर प्राइस, स्टॉक एनालिसिस एंड रिकॉर्ड्स। सेक्टर फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज, इंडस्ट्री इंश्योरेंस, लाइफ इंश्योरेंस। लाइव मार्केट प्राइस 571 विद अ टारगेट प्राइस ऑफ ₹700। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। करंट मार्केट प्राइस 571 with a target price of ₹700. Technical chart. Insights, key metrics, returns. Okay, digital expansion. Globally, after a point of time, insurance product tend to get commodities and margins begin to decline. In the long term, it needs to be seen how effectively the company uses the digital route to sell its insurance product. The share of directly selling to customer has increased in the last 3 years. Okay, key metrics. PE ratio 86.85, EPS TTM 6.56, market capital 1,21,338 crore. Sectoral market capital rank 3. PB ratio 7.67, dividend yield 0.30, face value 10, beta 1.27, VWAP 573.90, 52-week low high 775.65 and 497.05. HDFC Life share price returns 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, 3 years and 5 years. HDFC Life news and analysis. HDFC Life share analyze. Recommendation, strong buy. HDFC Life financials, balance sheets, cash flow ratios and MD and A. Balance sheets, cash flow ratios, MD and A. Management decision and analysis, final year 2021. MD and A means management decision and analysis, final year 2021. Okay, quarterly annual June 2022. Total income 6,807.43, total income growth minus 61.88, total expenses 6,470.41, total expenses growth minus 62.36, EBITDA 337.02, EBITDA growth minus 49.50, profit after tax PAT 328.79, PAT growth minus 35.05, EBITDA margin 4.95, net profit margin 4.83, basic EPS 1.56. Okay, forecast, technicals. 44% positive movement since 1st Jan 2005 on intraday basis. 56% negative movement since 1st Jan 2005 on intraday basis. Pivot level classic R1, R2, R3 pivot 570.35 S1, S2, S3. Average true range ATR 5 days, 14 days and 28 days. Peer comparison HDFC Life, Life Insurance Corporation, SBI Life and ICICI Prudential Life. Technical chart. Stock returns versus Nifty 100. Stock gave a 3-year return of 9.56% as compared to Nifty 100, which gave a return of 63.63% as of last trading season. Shareholding pattern. Total shareholding. Okay, category 30 June 2022. Okay, promoters 51.52, pledge 0.00, FII 28.00, DII 6.58, mutual funds 4.82, others 13.90. F&O code, corporate action, board meeting, HDFC Life dividend, okay, about HDFC Life Insurance Corporation Limited. Okay, so guys, HDFC Life Insurance Company Limited incorporated in the year 2000 is a large cap company having a market capital of rupees 1,21,665.91 crore, operating in financial service sector. एक फाइनेंशियल कंपनी है ये HDFC Life Insurance. HDFC Life Insurance Company Limited key product revenue segment include premiums earned and income from investment for the year ending 31st March 2022. Okay, financials. For the quarter ended 36/2022, the company has reported a consolidated total income of rupees 6,807.43 crore, down 61.88% from last quarter. Total income of rupees 17,856 crore and down 54.22% from last year. Same quarter, total income of rupees 14,871.13 crore. Company has reported net profit after tax of rupees 328.79 crore in latest quarter. Okay, company has GM Kapadia and company as its auditors as on 36/2022. The company has a total of 211.32 crore shares outstanding. Deepak S. Parekh, Chairman, and Vibha Padelkar, Managing Director and CEO. Industry, Insurance and Life. Location 13th floor, Lodha Exclusive Apollo Mills Compound, NM Joshi Mark, Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Okay, so guys, HDFC Life Insurance Company share price, stock analysis and records. Sector financials, industry, insurance. Current market price 571 with a target price of rupees 700. 700 का टारगेट है. एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है. कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है. एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है. ओके, सो गाइज, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए. नमस्कार. बोलो राधे राधे.